I don't know if I'll get in because I don't know how many people's gonna be around. I didn't bring a towel. We'll see. Never know. It is a natural hot springs, so clothing is optional. And if anyone's in there, obviously, I'm not gonna film them, but I'll try to get something for you. Here it is. Way. I gotta swim. That's good. Definitely sulfur. Smell it. Years and years of searching for this, I finally found it. I've been trying to go to that hot spring for a long time. Super sulfury. Smelly, very smelly, but it's nice and warm, toasty, pretty clean actually.